Have you ever wondered what actually keeps a business running smoothly every single day? What connects the people, the decisions, the goals, and the results? That answer is business administration. Business administration is the process of organizing, managing, and overseeing all activities within a business to ensure it operates efficiently and achieves its goals. By definition, business administration refers to the coordination of people, resources, and processes within an organization to accomplish specific objectives effectively and profitably. Think of business administration as the backbone of any organization. It covers everything from planning and decision-making to managing finances, people, and daily operations. Business administration revolves around 6 core functions. The first 3 are planning, setting goals and strategies; organizing, structuring teams and resources; and staffing, hiring and managing the right people. The next 3 are directing, guiding and motivating employees toward objectives; controlling, monitoring performance and correcting deviations; and decision-making, choosing the best course of action at every level. Now that we know what business administration is and what it does, let's talk about why it matters so deeply to every organization. First, business administration ensures that an organization's goals are actually achieved. Without proper administration, efforts become scattered and objectives remain out of reach. Second, it ensures the optimal use of resources. Whether it's money, time, or talent, business administration makes sure nothing is wasted and everything is directed where it creates the most value. Third, it keeps operations running smoothly. A well-administered business has clear workflows, coordinated teams, and processes that function without constant disruption. Fourth, it supports better decision-making. When administration is strong, leaders have the information, systems, and frameworks they need to make confident, well-informed choices. Fifth, business administration boosts employee productivity. Clear roles, strong leadership, and organized systems give employees what they need to perform at their best every day. And sixth, it enables adaptability and growth. In a constantly changing business environment, strong administration allows organizations to pivot, scale, and evolve without losing stability. Business administration spans several key areas within an organization. Finance and accounting, human resources, and operations management are 3 of the most foundational pillars. 3 more critical areas include marketing and sales, strategic management, and information systems. Together, these areas form the complete administrative framework of a modern organization. So who actually practices business administration? The answer might surprise you. It is not just CEOs and executives. Managers, team leaders, department heads, entrepreneurs, and even project coordinators all practice it every day. Picture a manager coordinating their team's weekly targets, balancing the budget, reviewing performance, and reporting to leadership. That is business administration in action. One important distinction worth noting: business administration is broader than management. Administration covers the overall framework, policies, and direction of an organization, while management focuses on executing those directives at the operational level. Here is the bigger picture. Every successful organization, whether a small startup, a large corporation, a nonprofit, or a government body, depends on sound business administration to function and grow. Studying business administration opens doors across industries. It builds versatile career paths, sharpens leadership skills, and gives you the foundation to build and run your own business with confidence. Let us quickly recap. Business administration is the organized process of managing people, resources, and activities to achieve business goals. It covers planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and decision-making across all departments of an organization. Whether you are studying for a degree, managing a team, or building a company from the ground up, business administration is the foundation that makes it all possible. Master the fundamentals, and you hold the keys to organizational success.